Alright, welcome to the channel. This is the series where I rebuild the 69 Roadrunner I got from my friend's father. What you're looking at now is that I am putting an ohmmeter on this sending unit just to check the parameters to see if it's within specs. A lot of complaints with the units that are out there now, they're not reading accurate, but this one didn't seem too off. You'll see me in a few seconds taking the old one out that looks just as new, but the original one in there I was trying to reuse, but being that the car was stored with fuel in the tank, it was in a bad way. So like an idiot, I sat and soaked this thing in vinegar for about 2 weeks, and I got all the rust off of it, but never thought to see if the tube itself was plugged up, and it was. So what I did was I had a brand new unit, and I kind of said, you know what, I'd rather have the old unit back in there working accurately. But I kind of cut the screen off the new one that you see me taking out now, and it just wasn't sitting right with me. I didn't like the way I did that, so I ordered another sending unit, and took the old one out as I'm doing now, as you can see, and I'm putting another new one in. And that's the one that I'm going to use. Hopefully it's not as bad as everybody's complaining about. You know, when the gauge gets to about a half a tank, it dies off. So that's what you see me now, taking out the old one and putting in a new one. Alright, I'm wrapping it up. Got the new one in. Locked the seal ring in. Well, I'm actually doing that now. And once that ring is locked in, I'll be on to the next portion. Alright, finally got that done. Now I just want to spruce it up a little bit. It's not a frame off restoration, but I just wanted to look semi-decent. I'm going to restore this one and use it, drive it, enjoy it, and eventually it'll be completely done. But so what you see me now is grabbing a can of brake cleaner, and I want to spray some of the gunk and road grime off this Dana 60. Primarily, I'm not sure if it was leaking fluid or not. It was wet where it shouldn't have been. So what you see me now is just spraying it down, and I'm gonna get a scraper and a wire brush and try to get off as much of this grime and wetness, and see exactly what's going on. I did have to get a 9/16 socket and tighten them down. Each of these bolts were loose. Not a lot of loose, just a little loose. I guess enough to just cause some wetness underneath. Like I said, once I scraped it down, I saw that it wasn't leaking. And later on, you're gonna see me loosen that fill cap right where I'm scraping at, and checking to see the level of the fluid. I'm gonna address it later. I'm probably gonna drain it and put some Amsoil in there. But for now, I just wanted to see the condition of the fluid, if it had fluid, what's the fluid level, and rule out if any leaks were happening. Alright, finally got that cleaned up. Now I'm just doing a little touch-up black paint so it don't look too bad. Like I said, I'm not doing a frame-up restoration. I just wanted to look semi-decent. So with the shiny new tank underneath, all the grease off the rear end, quick coat of black paint should tidy up things a bit. Alright, finally got that tackled. Now I'm up to the point where I'm going to install this gas tank. You see, it gave me a little difficulty because of the straps were, I don't know if the tanks were the exact same or something like that, but I had a problem with the straps and I had to play around and get a transmission jack, a blanket, and a piece of 4x4 block of wood. But after struggling, I finally got it in, and that portion is done. The next video is probably going to be I'm blowing out fuel lines and making all the connections. I got the electric fuel pump installed already, and I'm going to probably try to get the mechanical fuel pump installed and the carburetor, but we'll see how much I get done. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.